Savannah, Georgia. My name's Jennifer. Come along with me and I'll show you Christmas in Savannah. There's just something magical about Savannah in December, and I can't wait to show you all the prettiest places downtown. First, we'll stroll down Jones Street. Did you know that Southern Living named Jones Street one of the most beautiful streets in America? The famous Miss Wilkes restaurant is also located on Jones Street. Right now they're open for takeout only from 11 to 2, Monday through Friday, and make sure to get in line early because they do sell out. Savannah is home to many beautiful churches, and here are just a few. Hey sweet friends, thanks for being here watching another video. This video is part of my Christmas series, and I'll leave a link to the playlist below in case you've missed any of the videos. If you're new here, I'd like to introduce myself. My name's Jennifer. I was born and raised in Savannah, Georgia, and I make videos about Savannah and the low country of South Carolina. If you're enjoying the video, would you please give it a thumbs up, and don't forget to subscribe and hit the notification bell. I would love to have you as part of my Bluebell Charm family. Let's stop by the Jepson Center for the Arts and take a peek at their beautiful Christmas tree. Savannah City Market is all decorated for the holidays. I have a video that's just about City Market, and I'll link it for you below. Let's pop into Savannah's Candy Kitchen. I have a video coming up soon as part of my Christmas series where I'll be showing you how to make Savannah-inspired Christmas treats. The nice folks from Bird's Famous Cookies were handing out free bags of cookies for National Cookie Day. What a sweet surprise! Check out this glamorous poodle. That reminds me that Savannah is very dog friendly. Let's head over to Wolfgang Bakery to see what kind of Christmas treats they have for man's best friend. The Paula Deen store is located right in the City Market area and is just beside her restaurant, The Lady & Sons. There were tons of sweet items to choose from in her shop. I'll put a link to all of the places we visited down in the description box below. As you might imagine, December is a lovely time to get married in Savannah. We saw 3 different weddings on this Saturday. As you can imagine, we were thrilled to see these couples celebrating their special day, especially in Telfair Square, which is where my husband and I were married over 20 years ago, and we also had a bagpiper play at our wedding. This grand old mansion was built in 1873 by Samuel Hamilton. He lived here with his family, and it was the first house in Savannah to have electricity installed. In 1997, it was converted into luxury suites, and USA Today named the Hamilton Turner Inn Best Romantic Hotel for 2021. Hey friends, thanks for coming to visit Savannah with me at Christmas time. I hope you enjoyed our tour, and I hope that you'll be able to come and see us in person real soon.